IC Markets MT5, how to download, install, and open an account. Want to start trading with IC Markets MT5 but not sure where to begin? Don't worry, it's easier than you might think. You'll learn how to download the IC Markets MT5. Steps to install it on your computer. How to open your first trading account with IC Markets. Step 1. Register with IC Markets. To download MetaTrader 5, you need to open an account with IC Markets, clicking below in the description to start. After you have created an IC Markets account, you can select in the menu the Downloads section in the Personal area. Here you can choose MT5 for your device, Windows, Mac, phone, or web browser, and click on Download. Step 2. Install MT5. For Windows, just click the downloaded file. For Mac, double-click the .pkg file to launch the installer. Follow the simple setup steps. Look for the MT5 icon on your screen when done. Step 3. Create a demo or live MetaTrader 5 account. In your IC Markets personal area, clicking on Accounts, and after, open a new demo account, or open a new live account, filling in all the requested information to get a username and password to access MetaTrader. Step 4. Log into MT5. Open the MT5 platform. Click File, then Log into Trade Account. Type in your account number and password. Pick the right server as indicated in the activation email or your personal area. Start setting up your trading screen. Open an account with IC Markets, click below in the description to start. Remember, practice with a demo account before using real money. This helps you learn without risk.